Just woke up this morning and I decided to check out my CPA Grip dashboard. And to my surprise, a new CPA method I tested out yesterday worked. And I'm excited to share it with you guys in today's video. This is a very simple method that can easily make you $50 to $100 a day if you take action and you put in the required effort. You will definitely get amazing results as well. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. If you don't have a CPA Grip account, you can go over to cpagrip.com to create an account. And for those who don't know what CPA Grip is, it's basically a CPA network that lets you make money promoting CPA offers. All people need to do most of the time is install an app, complete a survey, or enter their email address and you make money. All right. So once you come over to the platform, you want to click on the register now button, which is then going to bring you to this page and you can create a free account right away. Once your account is created, your dashboard should look like this. And you want to then go over to where it says my offers. So once you click on it, this is where you can select offers from any country of your choice. But I highly recommend to go for tier 1 countries like United States, Canada, Australia, and UK. These are the countries with the most converting offers, and also they offer very high payouts. And see this offer here, start scrolling on TikTok. It's going to pay you $12 for people just installing the TikTok app on their device. So you can see you can make a lot of money targeting tier 1 countries. So now that we are going to be taking United States offers as an example, if you go over to Google and type in top social media platform to get free USA traffic, as you can see here, the top platforms are TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, YouTube, and Facebook. However, we are going to be going with Reddit, okay? And the reason we are going with Reddit is because Reddit is a community-based platform where people with similar interests interact and discuss specific topics known as subreddits. So you can think of this as Facebook group, okay? So people with similar interests basically come together and they talk about certain topics. I hope this makes sense. And now, since our offer says complete a deal for $100 at Buffalo Wild Wings, what we are going to be doing here is to look for the most suitable subreddit where this offer makes sense, because you don't want to post this type of offer in a subreddit for basketball or for baseball. It's not going to work in that subreddit because those people are not interested in this type of offer. An example of such subreddit is awesome freebies. All you just need to do is to type it in the Reddit search bar and you are going to find the subreddit. Another example is Bear Money. Another one is Deals. And the final example is Frugal. What all these subreddits have in common is that people in these subreddits are looking for free ways to make money or freebies in general. Once you join this subreddit, don't go ahead to start making spammy posts or promoting the CPA offers right away. This is ultimately the number one way you're going to get banned from these subreddits. All right. So I see many people making this mistake all the time. And when they get banned from the subreddit, they say Reddit does not work. So most of the time, people will simply go over to the subreddit and post something like complete a deal for $100 at Buffalo Wings. Sign up here, and they start sharing their link on the subreddit. Like I said, you don't want to do this. This is going to get you banned right away. Rather, you want to make sure to get people attention in this subreddit, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. All right. And this attention is going to generate engagement for your post, which in turn is going to let you make money promoting this CPA offer. So once you join any subreddit, and I'm going to be taking this one here as an example, all you need to do is to click on create. So once you do this, you want to enter a captivating title for your post. Okay. Selection finally made me try one of those reward offers. Here is what happened. Okay. So if you use titles like this, it's going to get people to want to click on your post and actually read the rest of the content, as opposed to directly promoting the CPA offer. You can see why this method works. Okay. So now the next thing you want to do is to then enter any story basically telling people how you completed the offer and how you found it to be very helpful. So I'm just going to type in this one right here, but feel free to use any story of your choice. Okay. You can see if I run through what I wrote here, basically telling people I was skeptical about the offer at first. When I eventually tried it out, and to my surprise, it worked. As you can see, you want to make sure to type in something similar like this, basically along the line of letting people know you were skeptical at first, but you gave it a shot and it turned out to be legit. So this is more believable to people on Reddit as opposed to just promoting the CPA offer directly. Once you're done posting your story, sure to never add the CPA link in the post yet. Okay, if you do this, it's going to get your post removed. So you want to basically write something simple like this. And also you can add an image if you want to do that. So you can add a simple, image like this as proof of you receiving the reward. Okay, this is optional. You can do this if you want, or you can keep this. Okay, so this is all you really need to do, and you want to click on post. Once you do this, you want to then wait for 1 to 2 hours. And I can assure you, if you do everything correctly, people start engaging with your post and you start getting a lot of comments, and many people are going to start asking for the link of the offer you tried, because like I said earlier, people in this subreddit are already looking for free stuff. Basically, you are likely to get a lot of clicks from people in this community. If your story makes sense and people trust your story, they'll ask for the link to that offer. All you then need to do from there is to then reply people asking for those links and share the link with them. So this way, your post is going to stay up for a very long time, and people are going to also find the link in the comments. And while you are waiting for the first 1 to 2 hours of making your post, you want to create the landing page for the offer. I don't recommend promoting the direct link to the offer, as this looks spammy, and I can assure you it's going to get removed right away. So you can create a very simple landing page like this in less than 5 minutes. You can see this one here, just a simple header, an image of the offer, and basically a description of how it works. People just need to click on this button. It's going to then take them to the offer page. If they enter their email address, complete one of the deals, you make money. Okay. And you can use so many landing page builders to do this. There are so many paid ones out there, and there are free ones you can use. But this one here is from Google site and it works as well. All you just need to do is to go over to site.google.com and you can create a free Google site landing page like this, as you can see right here. Okay. All you just need to do is to create a very simple landing page like this and you are good to go. Then make sure to add the offer link in this button. I'm using this as an example, of course. Okay. So once you add the offer link here, once people click on the button, it takes them to the offer. So this is a very simple method you can use to make money with CPA marketing or CPA Grip with Reddit. All you need to do is to then post this on other subreddits, and I can assure you, you're going to get a very good result. And also, you can do this for other CPA offers as well to scale your earnings.